For Proface's Automation America Challenge, Grant Industrial is submitting a customer use case and replacing an Allen Bradley PanelView with a Proface SP5000X Extreme HMI to control a baler at a recycling facility. The Allen Bradley screen had failed multiple times, especially during the cold months of the year. The SP5000X was chosen over the competition due to its wide operational range and its sunlight-readable screen. As you can see, the baler is in quite the dirty environment, exposed to the elements. Special thanks to Mark, the plant manager, Robert Springer, the integrator that implemented the design and programming of the HMI, and Paul Daniels, our Proface area sales manager. Thank you.